If you've been following the massive story surrounding the new DJI drone, then get ready right now. You are about to feel an instant rush of pure excitement. DJI just officially shared a brand new teaser across all of their social media channels. It completely changes the game for drone creators everywhere. It is finally happening. Interestingly, if you watch the short clip closely, the drone itself never actually appears on screen. You do not get a single glimpse of the body. You do not see the propellers. You do not even see the new camera lens. But at the exact same time, you can clearly see the drone in action. This is because the entire 41-second sequence is filmed directly from the drone's wild new perspective. If you're into FPV flying or immersive cinematic drone footage, this official teaser will instantly get your imagination going. The hype around this massive release is already building at an unbelievable pace. Multiple reliable sources have been pointing toward an imminent launch for weeks now. People have been speculating about the specs, the design, and the ultimate purpose of this new machine. But things just took a massive turn today. Out of nowhere, real-world photos just showed up on Facebook Marketplace. These photos display what looks exactly like the official retail box for the new drone. When you have early hardware leaks, random marketplace listings, and official corporate teasers all lining up perfectly at the exact same time, it usually means only one thing. We are getting very, very close to the real, official announcement. The story actually gets even deeper today. Inside sources are now stating that there is apparently another small, hidden surprise tied directly to this drone release. We are actively tracking down those extra details right now. If this surprise turns out to be as big as the rumors claim, the anticipation is going to climb even higher over the next few days. Now, we really need to talk about the official teaser itself. DJI took a very unusual approach here. The clip runs for about 41 seconds without ever mentioning a product name. There is no launch date on the screen. There is not even a dark silhouette of the product outline. Nothing is given away to the viewer. DJI simply steps back and lets the raw, breathtaking footage do all of the talking. What stands out the absolute most is the incredible style of the video. It genuinely looks like a perfect mix between traditional, high-speed FPV movement and reframed 360-degree capture. The camera perspective feels completely fluid. It moves in ways that normal drones simply cannot move. It is almost as if the entire shot can be magically repositioned after the recording is already finished. This lines up absolutely perfectly with the earlier rumors we discussed on this channel. Those rumors suggested that this new drone completely blends aggressive FPV flight mechanics with a full 360-degree camera system. Think about what that actually means for a second. Normally, to get this kind of footage, you have to strap a heavy 360 camera onto the back of a standard FPV drone. This ruins the battery life. It throws off the center of gravity. It makes the drone fly terribly. If DJI has actually figured out a way to build dual lenses directly into the frame of a nimble FPV drone, they have solved a massive problem for creators. You could fly through tight gaps, hit crazy speeds, and never actually have to worry about where the camera is pointing. You just fly the drone safely, and you frame your perfect shot later in the editing room. Aside from that incredible visual style, the teaser keeps things completely hidden from us. There are no glimpses of the drone body. There are absolutely no controller shots shown. We do not get to see any new goggles. It is just pure immersive aerial footage that strongly hints at what this powerful new system might be capable of achieving. This makes us wonder about the internal specs. Will it shoot in 8K resolution? It would need a massive resolution to allow for high-quality reframing. Traditional 360 cameras shoot in 5.7K, but when you punch in and reframe the shot for a standard YouTube video, the quality drops significantly. DJI is a camera company first and foremost. They know that image quality is king. If they are releasing a dedicated 360 FPV drone, the sensor has to be incredible. We might be looking at dual 1-inch sensors. That would allow for incredible low-light performance, NCE, and crystal-clear reframed video. Now, the actual launch timeline is also becoming incredibly interesting to watch. Over the recent past, DJI has been heavily prioritizing the Chinese market for their first product releases. Highly anticipated products like the RS-5 stabilizer and the Osmo Action 6 recently appeared in the Chinese market weeks before their global debut ever happened. People in North America and Europe had to sit and watch videos of these products for almost a month before they could buy them. The teasers for those products also showed up on Chinese social media platforms well ahead of any international channels. But this time, things look quite a bit different. DJI shared this new teaser simultaneously across all of its official global platforms. They posted it on X, Instagram, and YouTube all at the same time, rather than keeping it exclusive to China first. That could be a massive hint that the gap between the Chinese launch and the global release might be much shorter this time around. It might even be happening on the exact same day globally. This would be a huge win for drone enthusiasts around the world who are tired of waiting. And then, we really have to talk about that insane Facebook Marketplace leak. At first glance, the leaked images look incredibly convincing. The packaging follows DJI's typical high-end retail style perfectly. It features the exact same clean white layout and familiar gray product labeling we always see on their boxes. The front of the box clearly reads the new product name, along with the text drone only enhanced transmission. This text is very important. It strongly suggests that this specific leak is a base package. This means the drone is sold completely by itself, without any expensive goggles or controllers included. This is great news for people who already own the Goggles 3 or the FPV Controller 3. You will not be forced to buy expensive gear you already have just to get the new drone. But honestly, the biggest takeaway here is not just the drone render printed on the cardboard box. It is the undeniable fact that what looks exactly like final retail packaging is already circulating out in the wild. It is completely outside of DJI's control. This is something that only usually happens when physical units start reaching actual distributors or retail stores. Usually, this means we are just days ahead of a major launch. Store employees get their hands on the inventory in the backroom. They snap a quick picture with their phone. They upload it to the internet, and the secret is out. If the upcoming hidden surprise turns out to be something massive, the next update is going to make this entire story even more exciting. Could the surprise be a new type of motion controller? Maybe a wearable device that lets you control the 360 camera with your head movements while someone else flies the drone? The possibilities are endless when you combine FPV flight with spherical video. In my opinion, this new drone is going to completely revolutionize how creators capture fast-paced action. Combining FPV agility with shoot-first, frame-later 360 technology is the ultimate cheat code for viral video. It takes all the stress out of getting the perfect shot. You just focus on the flying experience. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.